I don't know why it won't play, but it needs to play because this is how I'm feeling right now. I am so tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I am so tired of being failed by all entities of society. When I tell y'all enough is enough, it's just, I'm tired of crying, but I'm crying tears of joy because no matter what may come my way, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. God is working it out, but you don't even know what I just been through. It is ridiculous at this point. I don't even know why they keep playing with me as if it's a joke or a game. It is not a game, it is not a joke. And I ain't got no time for none of the entities of Ohio Parole Authority, Hamilton County Job and Family Services, or any entity of society at this point in time to continue to insult my intellectual ability and my ability to obtain, retain, and apply all of my knowledge that I obtained or even attained, whatever which word you prefer, through the University of Cincinnati. In Hamilton County, within the criminal justice system as a whole, there is, if I had to make an educated guess, I would say about 95, I'm going to say 85 to 95% of all three of the elements within the criminal justice system graduated from my college, but not only my college, the University of Cincinnati, but they also graduated from my college, which is the College of Early Education, Early Childhood, and Criminal Justice. They are my alumni. I don't know why they keep playing with me. At one point in time, before I messed up, effed up, excuse my language, because I ain't never called it a mistake because I knew it was wrong when I did it. That's why I deserved exactly what the Honorable Beth A. Myers, the Honorable Judge Beth A. Myers, located in Hamilton. Well, I'm sorry, at the time of 2015, when I caught my case of aggravated robbery and felonious assault, she was a Hamilton County municipal. No, I'm sorry. Let me get it right. Let me put some respect on her name. Give me a second because I'm so frustrated and overwhelmed. I got to take a breather. That's equivalent to a positive coping mechanism skill to deal with the stressors of my life right now. Negative stressors, because it is negative and both positive stressors. So, to deal with the negative stressors of my life right now, that is the coping mechanism skill that I am utilizing, which is this. When I experience a negative stressor due to the entire entity of the criminal justice system as a whole at this point, as far as I'm concerned, within the state of Ohio, county of Hamilton, it is crazy how I continue to be failed and how I continue to come in contact with negative. They are causing negative stressors while I am trying to work toward the reunification of my children by unrealistic expectations, negligence. Let's sum it up in the terminology of criminal justice. They continue to do what? Create a deliberate indifference, that is knowingly know and fail to act. It is a term that was created and established to provide rights to the inmates of the Department of Corrections within the entire entity of the United States of America criminal justice system. That's why this is serious. It ain't just get serious. It's been serious for me. And this is the direct reason and example why in Sunny Day Season 1, Sunny Day threw the towel in, gave up, and excuse my language, lowered my moral values and standards and efforts, and had an attitude of fuck this shit and fuck y'all, with all the disrespect in the world. Because, come on now. How many times are y'all going to continue to set me up to fail and continue to fail me and my 3 children? All 3 of my children. My children, while in the care, which they are currently in the care of the Public Social Services entity of Hamilton County Job and Family Services, with a direct magistrate order from the Hamilton County, Ohio Juvenile Court Magistrate Washington, and then Magistrate Bell. She was first and he took over. It's simple. Did I lose y'all? Oh, well, I know exactly what I'm talking about. It ain't nothing about a mental health, nothing. I'm tired and I'm broken. And in season 1, I gave up as a direct result of all this bullshit. Negligence, just sum it up as negligence, defamation of character, violation of parental rights, deliberate indifference. I already named this. I already stated that in season 1. The only differentiation between the two, I was functioning under a psychology theory of flight or fight. And I'm going to break it down for the uneducated individuals of our society, but for real, just like in season 1. Let's see, I know a few things, and this is what in Sunny Day's voice. I'm entering it on the record today. Let me get the time. I can't get the time right this second, but that's okay. I'm entering it on the record today at or about, on or about 3:25, between 3:25 and 3:45. I'm entering it on the record. This don't no one. There is not no one. Now in season 1, we had the spectators, clowns, and dummies of the awareness, or aka Sunny Day's audience, whom seemed to think it was a game. Yeah, I said that. Simply a game, a joke. I am trying to the best of my ability to convey this message as professionally and with all the intellectual knowledge and communication skills I learned while taking the course at the University of Cincinnati, Public Speaking 101. So I'm trying my best to remain calm and humble and to not utilize derogatory language while making this recording. But at this point, it's dry, cut, authentic, and I'm speaking directly to all of the entities that continue to set me and my 3 children up for failure. Point blank in the discussion. Drop the mic and bring it back. And I am animated in all of that because I'm tired. Now, when an individual get sick and tired of being sick and tired of being sick and tired, they're going to do one of 2 things. They're going to do what? Continue to do the same exact thing, which is equivalent to the definition of insanity, or they're going to do what? Act point blank in the discussion. And what that means is they're going to take action. They're going to identify and then apply, meaning this. They're going to identify the problem and then they're going to put together a plan and then they're going to work toward the solution. That's exactly what I'm doing. And it's also another example of a positive coping mechanism skill. Now, this is going to provide evidence of this defamation of character also. Let me take a break because this is about to be funny. It's about to be real funny. And it goes out to Hamilton County Job and Family Services caseworker, previous caseworker on my case since the day they took my children, 12/27/21, and the Hamilton County Job and Family Services initial assessment worker, which is equivalent to the 241 kids worker that came to my house and did what? Well, guess what? I ain't recapped it. I know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you would like to know, go back to Sunny Day Season 1. I've been said that. I ain't about to say it again. So if you lost, that's cool. But guess what? You gon' stay lost during this recording, and then you may start to reach out and ask somebody, anybody, everybody, what is she talking about? Because I guarantee you this on my soul, my mother's soul, Cora Marie Smith, may she rest in peace, and all 3 of my children's soul. It ain't not one person in the city of Cincinnati that don't know what I'm talking about right now in reference to the Hamilton County Job and Family Services assessment worker. I ain't got her name. I ain't never had her name. I don't need her name right now, and her name is on the record. So I do have her name. I just don't have it in front of me, and it ain't important right now. But when I get around the corner on the back burner. I'm going to have her name when I attach it to this civil lawsuit. I'm going to have her name and all the records that go with that, with the elements of the civil lawsuit. You all think it's a game, but it's not one person within the entire entity of the three elements of the criminal justice system within the state of Ohio, Hamilton County criminal justice system. And let me just stop, pause, and identify the three elements, since I keep saying it and talking to a broader audience. The three elements of the criminal justice system is police, corrections, and the courts. And I got a number coming in from 381-5555. I'm going on the record right now.